This is the right-hand rule for magnetic fields and currents. Okay, what you got to remember is on your hand, it's IL cross B. So IL is this guy. It's your index finger. Okay, B is your middle finger, and the force is in the direction of this. Right. So for this first one, the current is that way. The magnetic field's into the page. So I'm going to do this. Right, and the force is to the left. Okay. For the next one here, our current is this way. The magnetic field is up, and so the force would be out of this page. Okay, so current, magnetic field, force. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's see. The current is to the left, and the force is out of the page, right? So now we just keep our hand like this, right? It's all right angles, so index finger is this way, right? My thumb has to be out of the page. So the magnetic field is this guy here, is down the page. Okay, let's see. And then which way is the current, okay? So let's see, what do I have? I've got my hand like this. I want my force that way, right? Magnetic field has to be out of the page, right? So here's my force. Here's my magnetic field, right? So my finger is pointed down this page. All right, let's do a couple more here. All right, here we go. Okay, so let's see. First one is current up the page, so index finger in the direction of the current, middle finger in the direction of the magnetic field, and the force is to the right. Okay. Getting kind of worn out doing these videos here. Okay, so this one is current flowing to the right, so index finger to the right, magnetic field down the page, my thumb is into this page. Okay, let's see. Okay, so index finger up the page, right? The force is my thumb, right? So my thumb is out of the page, so the magnetic field, my middle finger, is to the left. Okay, let's see. My gosh, this is like higher vector physics here. Now let's see. Magnetic field's that way, right? Force is. All right. Let's see. Magnetic field's this way. Force is down the page. I'm just not the most limber person in the world, but this is out of the page, like that. Nice thing about a piece of paper versus a computer monitor is you can rotate the piece of paper to any position you want, and then just write it down. Okay, let's do one more row here. All right. Current to the right. I'll step around the camera without kicking it. Index finger to the right is the current. Magnetic field down. This is into the page. All right. Current up. Magnetic field to the left. Current up. Magnetic field left. Force is out of the page. That's what the dot is right there. All right. Okay. Current is this way. Force is down. Right. So therefore, magnetic field is all to the page. And then what's our last one here? Let's see. Magnetic field is up. Force is that way. Magnetic field is this way, right? Force is this way. And my finger is pointing into that screen. All right?